Okay, so we just went over several different topics that you can use to start small talk or a medium conversation. And in a second here, we're going to go over 3 examples of ways to start a medium conversation. So 3 very specific examples with dialogue. So dialogue just means talking between 2 people. But before we get to that, I just want to say one more thing about the different kinds of topics that you can use to start a medium-length conversation. Whenever you talk about these topics, so for example, we mentioned sports, news, family, babies, movies, etc. So whenever you talk about these kinds of topics, there are 3 things that you can touch on to kind of continue, well, first to start, but then to continue the conversation. So never feel like there's nothing more to say about a topic. There's always more that you can say. So first, you can talk about how you feel about the topic. So, as I mentioned with the celebrities, do you like a celebrity? Do you not like them? Or a movie? Did you like the movie that you saw recently? Did you not like it? And you can be more specific than just like or not like, and say what you did like or what you didn't like. Second, you can ask the person you're talking to what they like or how they feel about the topic. So, I liked the new Spider-Man movie. Did you like it? So try not to always just talk about what you think or feel, but also engage or talk with the other person to get a sense of what they feel or how they think about a specific topic. And thirdly, you can talk specifics about a topic. So saying you like a movie or you don't like a movie is very general. If you want to get more specific, you can say what you did like about it, or what you didn't like about it. So say you're talking to me, and I tell you that I did not like the new Spider-Man movie at all. You could respond and say, what didn't you like about it? So you're asking me to be more specific about this topic. And I could respond by saying, I didn't like the ending. I thought the ending was really a letdown. It was not good. So those are just 3 ways that you can elaborate on these topics that we went over. Talk about how you feel, ask the other person how they feel, and talk about specifics. Okay, so now let's go into these 3 very specific examples of dialogue or talking that show how you can start a medium-length conversation and make small talk. The first example we're going to talk about has to do with weather. The second has to do with movies. And the third has to do with family and children. Each of these examples is going to be roughly 2 minutes long. And what they do is they give you an idea of how you can start a conversation of small talk or a medium-length conversation. So they're not full, 5, 10, 15-minute conversations. It's just a 2-minute conversation starter.